Hello there, fantastic first grade teachers. This is Casey Rogers, the elementary math coach. And as you know, the Kathy Richardson window's opening, and I just wanted to take a few minutes to look at the assessments with you. In Northwest, we have these two defining reasons for giving the Kathy Richardson assessment. One is that they're very specific tasks that allow you to identify the critical number concepts that your students are getting. And then the second reason that we do these is to, of course, inform your instruction. Knowing where your students are in the process of learning number concepts is such a powerful tool as you plan instruction or just as you're teaching the lesson. In first grade, you will give two different assessments over the course of the year, from the Number Arrangements Concept 4 and Hiding Assessment Concept 6 books. For now, we'll just look at the beginning of the year assessment, Number Arrangements. In this assessment, you are assessing your students' understanding that numbers are composed of parts. This is the first step in learning basic facts. Students won't be able to see that 7 contains 4 and 3 unless they could recognize the 4 and the 3 when they appear separately. These books are amazing resources that are available on your campus, so I strongly encourage your team to get your hands on your campus copy. It walks you through the why of the assessment, what the student interview should look and sound like, including what to look for and how to interpret what you're seeing. And it also offers activities for students who may not be meeting the standard in a certain area. And a super duper bonus for you is that there are videos of the assessments being given to real live children on a blue flash drive that your AP or CIT has on your campus, and it looks like this. So in this assessment, you are looking for really one thing in each student interview. Is the student able to quickly name the parts of 5? After children can see and describe the parts, they move through these several stages as they learn to combine them. They will begin by counting all of the dots or other objects to find the total. And in time, they develop more sophisticated strategies. After much practice, then they will know the totals automatically. This is another big number concept, subitizing, quickly recognizing and naming how many objects are in a small group without having to count them. So, as you can see, this is a critical learning phase for our students. So, this is the recording sheet that you will use with each of your students, and you will show various cards, like the one shown here. These cards you can find in the back of the number arrangements book, where you can make copies of them and cut them out. So, you will show these cards and ask them a series of questions, as it shows here at the top. And then based on the students' responses, you'll either do the going back or the going on section. And then at the bottom here, there's a summarizing instructional needs. This is a section that you will definitely want to fill in to kind of wrap up the tasks. So the window opens Tuesday, September 2nd and closes Friday, October 3rd. There will be a class recording sheet that looks like this, and it will be available to you in a Kathy Richardson folder in NetSchool. And this is the document that you will use to report your data by Wednesday, October 8th. And just a little hint, I know that when I was giving this assessment, as I tested each student, I went ahead and wrote their names in the corresponding sections as I went along. It just saved me time at the end. But of course, you are more than welcome to wait until the end to record the names as well. So then, a grade level representative from your campus will need to email the class recording sheets to me and Shelly on or before that date, October 8th. We'll be making ourselves available to answer questions and debrief with you. So, stay tuned for another video that will debrief the debriefing process. As always, we are readily available for questions all along the way, so don't hesitate to email, call, or send a smoke signal if you have to. So, happy assessing!